Okay, so drive that impact. Now, I think you all agree with us in the room that these are very complex times. And finding solutions in complex times, does that need to be, I guess, complex? Or how do you make that simple?
Yeah, I think this is always interesting, and people always talk about innovation and complexity and how are you going to tackle these problems. See, the way my fundamental belief is my job, and going back to that impact, is to constantly trying to find elegant solution for increasingly complex problems. And that's what is exciting, because innovation as a word sometimes can be very static, in the moment, discrete. But our journey is contiguous. It doesn't stop somewhere, and it doesn't start another where. It's continuous. And I think whether we talk about augmented reality, which is an evolution of AI, which is an evolution of edge processing, which is an evolution of network capability, all coming together to provide you with a just-in-time, seamless experience, is that evolution. It wasn't there in 60 years ago because our compute power wasn't there. Our algorithms were basically research papers that are now becoming software and a reality. Our compute power wasn't there, and we didn't have the right kind of languages, computer programming languages for all of this to happen. So that's why it's more contiguous than static, and that's what is exciting in terms of how we drive innovation.
Absolutely. So I want to bounce off that